of Noni Neri. Way to go, Kaligatan from the outside. Tukmo, Danori inside, Princess Julian. It's now wrestling. Tukmo, Kaligatan to Princess Julian. And running in pitch, Banay. Wrestling by Hapalan, followed by Tukmo. And Danori inside, Princess Julian, Banay, Kaligatan. As they raise the corner, wrestling, Tukmo is on the outside as they swing for home. Wrestling, Tukmo is on the outside. Princess Julian down on the inside. Entering the finish line, it's now Princess Julian wrestling. Matini Idol down on the inside and Tukmo. 3 runners fighting it out for the lead. Matini Idol moves up and finally Matini Idol. Wrestling close, Princess Julian, Tukmo, Banay, close.